So good morning students. Today in this session I am going to explain about exercise 2 from ratio and proportion. Exercise 11.2 from ratio and proportion children. Children, in exercise 2, third sum we observe children in third sum. A bag contains 20 kg of rice and another bag contains 60 kg of wheat. Find the ratio of the amount of rice to that of wheat. What is the ratio of the rice to the total weight? I already told in the Zoom class this sum. Now I am going to explain third sum. There are 32 students in a class of which 12 are girls. Find the ratio of number of boys to number of girls, the ratio of number of boys to total number of students, the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students children. Now this is the problem is given in the textbook. Now first bit solution children. 11 point, that is the third bit, first one children. Observe here. Total number of students in the class. Total number of students in the class. Is equal to how many children? How many students are there? There are 32 students are there children. Total number of students in the class. That number of girls in the class. Number of girls in the class. How many girls are there children? There are 12 girls are there. 12 girls are there in the class. Number of boys in the class. Now you know very well. Total number of students 32. Number of girls in class 12. Then number of students. Number of boys in the class. What we have to do children? We have to subtract from 32. 32 minus 12 equal to how much? 20. Okay. Now ratio. The ratio of the number of boys to number of girls. The ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. Number of boys how much children here? Number of boys 20. Girls how much children? 12. That is what? See, 4 3 ja, 4 5 ja. You put how much children? 5:3 ratio. 5:3 ratio. The ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. 5:3 ratio children. Okay. So this is first bit. In third problem, first one. Now second one children. Now second one observe here. The ratio of number of boys to the total number of students. Second one. The ratio of number of boys to the total number of students. Number of students. That implies number of boys. How many are the number of boys? 20 is to total number of students 32. That implies 20 by 30 equal to how much children? 4 5 ja, 4 8 ja. So 5:8 children. 5:8. Now third one. What is third one children here? This is the second one children. And now third one children. Third one. The ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. Third one. The ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class. Students in the class. Number of girls, how many students are, how many girls are there in the class? 12 girls are there. So 12 is to 32. That implies 12 by 32. 4 3 ja, 4 8 ja. So 3 is to 8. 3 is to 8. So this is the problem 3 children. Now problem 5. What is the problem 5 children here? Problem 5, 11 point exercise. Imran bought 2 liters of oil and Vijay brought 250 ml of oil. Find the ratio of the quantities of oil brought by Imran oil bought by Vijay. Now, I'll explain the solution, children. See, Imran, quantity of oil brought by Imran, quantity of oil bought by Imran. How much he brought, children? That is especially 2 liters. He brought 2 liters of oil. That means what? 2 into 1000 ml, children. Total how much? 2000 ml. 2000 milliliters of oil brought by Imran. Now, quantity of oil bought by Vijay. Quantity of oil bought by Vijay. How much he brought? 250. He brought how much then? Sorry, 500 ml he brought 500 ml. Now, the ratio of quantities of oil bought by Imran to oil bought by Vijay. Therefore, the ratio of quantity of oil bought by Imran and Vijay equal to how much? Imran how much? 2000 ml is to 500 ml. Now that implies 2000 by 500 equal to 500 by the 500 by 4 504 equal to 4 by 1 equal to 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1. So like this we have to do, children. This is the 5th sum. And now, question number 6, children. Question number 6. Weight of Abraham is 20 kg and his father's weight is 60 kg. Find the ratio of weight of the Abraham and their father expressed in the simplest form. Now, weight of Abraham. Weight of Abraham. Weight of Abraham, how much children here? 20 kg. Weight of his father, 60 kg children. 60 kg. Now what is the ratio of weight of Abraham and his father? Ratio of weight of Abraham and his father equal to 20 kg is to 60 kg. That implies 20 by 60 children. 20 by 20 is equal to 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3 children. 1 is to 3. The simplest form also 1 is to 3 only because it does not have any common factor, children. Simplest form is also form is also 1 is to 3 because this ratio is not having any common factors. So 1 is to 3. Okay, children. This is a problem 6. Now the last problem from exercise 11.2, that is Ramu spent 2 by 5 of this money on a storybook. Ramu spent 2 by 5th of his money on a storybook. Find the ratio of money spent to the money with him at the beginning. So children, for this what you have to let the money with Ramu. Let the money with Ramu equal to rupees 1, children. You can take rupee 1. Rupee 1. The money spent by Ramu on a storybook. The money spent by Ramu on a storybook. You got how much children? Okay. That is rupees 1 into 5 by 2, 2 by 5 children. 2 by 5. That implies 2 by 5 rupees. 2 by 5 rupees. Ratio of money spent to the money with him at the beginning. Ratio of money spent by Ramu to the money with him at beginning. At beginning is called generally what? 2 by 5 is to 1 children. It implies 2 by 5 is to 1. 2 by 5 is to 1. That means what, children? 2 by 5 is to 1. That is 2 by 5 into, that is 2 by 5. Generally 2 by 5 into 5 is to 1 equal to 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5 children. That is nothing but, then how much you get? 2 by 5 by 1 children. So 2 by 5 into 1 by 1. That implies 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5. Okay children? 2 is to 5 children. Okay? And thank you and have a nice day. And after watching this video, I request you all, please copy the sums which I explained in this video in your classwork. Okay? Thank you children. Have a nice day.